Okay, a couple days has passed. Um, it took me a little bit to actually get the wiring down. Right now there is proper improper cable measurement. It's kind of dirty right now. I'll have to clean out all that later. Um, I may end up removing this uh, case here that holds the hard drives or SSDs. Other than that, let's turn it on and you can see everything working. Everything's working, everything's quiet. Booting up. This is the inside. Everything's working nice as it should. Now, the next step will have to be to properly wire these cables. There's no true proper or improper way as long as you keep the cables away from fans, as long as you try to route it neatly while leaving some slack, because you don't want to pull it too tight to the back so you won't damage any of the pins on the boards. But other than that, yeah, I want to stop the video right here and get to work and show you an after.